Hello global friends, how are you doing? I am Konstantinos Thanassias, go by Kontithan, and I am Professor of Electrical Engineering. The purpose of this channel is to show a bunch of ideas concerning electrical and electronic projects. I will upload short and full tutorial videos depending on your feedback and your needs. My goal is to provide you with tutorials, step-by-step do-it-yourself projects and help as I can the electrical society. In addition, if you like some of my projects and you cannot accomplish your job, I can help you setting mine which be already done. Some of the examples which you will learn from this channel is Arduino software and hardware, PLC philosophy and how you can use it, different sensors and how to draw a PCB board, you will deal with GPS trackers, with GSM alarms, and of course you will learn the great advantages of technology and the sector of agriculture. Here you will see a CPU from a Bell accumulator system you will learn to create alone. And here is a GSM Beehive weighing scale. In general, I will try to help you and guide you so as to expand your knowledge, and who knows, maybe you will have a profit of it. Last but not least, always remember my motto. First, accept your task. Second, go with your task. Third, get your task done. If you don't write it, you will not make it. Now, the postscripts. PS1. I would be grateful if you like my videos. Well, you know the drill. Please subscribe, like and share this content. PS2. My location is at Greece. I'm a Greek native speaker. Nevertheless, I'm trying to do my best at English language so to be understood by many people. Forgive me in advance if my English language is poor. Waiting to see you to my channel Kontithan Electrical Engineering Ideas. Till then, take care. Bye bye.